Ice and I are back doing condo tours, and this time we're turning up the price just a little. We're going to be comparing two luxury condos for $500 and $800. In our previous video, we compared two on a budget condos. If you haven't checked out our first video, make sure you check in the description below. But in this video, we are going to compare two-bedroom condos. One is kind of on the budget, but the other one is pure luxury. Let's go check them out.
Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Oh, come run away.
We have just arrived at our first condo for today. We are going to meet the lovely Ice, and she is going to show us around our first two-bedroom condo. Thank you so much for wanting to show us around for a second time.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Okay, so we're at the Shine, as you know already.
Yes.
And it's beautiful lobby here.
Wow.
And the rooms is on the 13th floor. You ready?
13th floor? Wow, I'm so excited. This is a beautiful building. I can't wait to see it.
And there's a lot of parking around the building.
Oh yes, there is some underground parking on this side. The elevator is so beautiful. Look at inside. Wow. Okay.
Oh,
This
you love
is
it?
lovely. Oh, I love everything. Everything already.
It's 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and 70 square meter.
70 square meters. Okay, what was the price of this?
The price is 18,000 baht.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
which is
around $542.
furnitures are included, come fully furnished, and I love how they separate the bedroom. If you notice it, the layout.
Right.
Yeah.
So you've got
There's
one bedroom on this
here.
side, next to the bathroom.
Yes.
And then there's another one.
Yeah, and then you have like entertaining area in the middle.
And there's two balconies.
Cause like some condo, you only have one balcony, and when you wash your clothes, you use your balcony to hang clothes, and then you don't have another balcony to sit in. It's really nice that you have a slide door kitchen, because when you cook, you can just close it if something smells and you don't want it to, get that smell in the room. And it's really useful kitchen because the big counter, 2 sinks as well. That's a big plus. And electricity stove is just really nice.
Is that a dishwasher?
It is.
No way. Usually I'm the dishwasher. No.
Wait, is it you? Wait, let's just keep it.
Let's
Have
not
you
tell
ever
you.
washed any dishes?
Yeah. Oh, I never seen it before.
The best thing about this place is the dishwasher.
Yes.
That is a win.
This is the master bedroom. You have the TV in here, big windows, and you have the bathroom on the side. A lot of closet.
Yes. Big mirror.
Yes.
It can even work as like a desk or makeup area.
Mm-hmm.
This is quite nice. You've got loads of storage space. And then you've got a really nice view of the city.
You got a mountain view, yes.
And we're on the 13th floor, so you've got the city view, mountain view. Where is this condo located? Which
It's
area?
located in Chiang Mai area. Yeah, and the road there is Chiang Mai Road.
Okay.
Very easy access to lots of things, close to Night Bazaar.
There's actually a 7-Eleven
Yeah.
right over there.
Oh yeah? The ensuite bathroom, it's got a beautiful rainfall shower, lovely sink, very modern. Good light in here as well.
Shower area is really big as well.
Yes, really big shower. I love that. So over here, just across from the kitchen, you've got your L-shaped couch, and of course you've got your lovely dining area. The TV is there, and there's actually 2 air conditioners in the living room. That's quite nice.
Yes. So come to the guest bedroom. In opposite the master bedroom, you also have another 3rd TVs over
3
here.
TVs?
Yes.
Wow.
Pretty similar style of the master bedroom.
Yes.
Have everything really nice closets over there. And really good thing is you have a door to the guest bathroom that you can use as well.
Oh,
here.
yes, it's got an
Yes.
interleading door.
Yeah, come to the other side. You can see us.
You can come in just straight through or from the bedroom.
Yeah.
And it's really modern. I love the big mirrors. So Ice, you were saying this is actually originally a one bedroom and then the owner combined 2 rooms together?
Yes, that's
Wow.
why they kind of duplicated the bedroom. They
Yes.
look very similar.
They look
But-
exactly the same.
Yeah.
So Ice, is there a pool and a gym, anything like that?
Yes, they have a really nice pool and a night gym. We can go see.
Ah, we can go see?
Yes.
Okay, good. It's a public holiday, so everybody's swimming.
Yeah.
The gym's open. This is really, really nice. Really fancy gym across from the pool. So this pool's actually on the 6th floor of this apartment. You've got a beautiful city view. I think this pool is the winner of the condo. Okay, first condo down at 18,000 baht. So let's go see the luxury condo. Everything looks so nice in a car when you've got air conditioner. Yes. On a hot day like this, when you're on the motorbike, it is really hot. You really feel it. So we've arrived at the Himma Prestige Condo, and there's actually a few Himma Prestige, right?
Yeah, there's 2 condo buildings in here.
So Ice has actually brought us to see a luxury penthouse. I am so excited to see that. I mean, we've just arrived at the clubhouse, so we're gonna look at that now. There's a pool and the gym, and then we're gonna go and look at the penthouse. I'm so keen.
It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful.
Let's go see.
Yeah, also, as you get into the building, into the Himma Prestige area, you will see the clubhouse first in the front. So this is the clubhouse.
Wow.
You have a pool, you have a gym, which is closed right now.
Oh yes, of
Inside
course.
there.
So we are now going into the front of the building. It is quite gated, quite secure, which is quite nice. Everywhere's got some guards for security. So yeah, it's quite good. Can't wait to see.
The parking area around the building, and also the parking for motorbike as well in the front.
That's good
Yes.
for us. Okay, and I see you've got a key card, so everything is like purely operational by the key card.
Yes. It's really, really high technology in here. Yes. So you only use one card, just one, and can access the building, access to the door, access to the gate in the front. You just have the card here.
Oh wow, cool. Wow, look at this place. I am like obsessed with the high ceilings.
Yes. It's really beautiful, and it's not just this. It's a duplex as well.
Oh my goodness. So
Yes.
there's an upstairs
Yes,
bedroom.
it's upstairs.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
So this room, this penthouse, is 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom with the 102 square meter, and the price is $800. So you will have the really lovely kitchen first. You have an oven, and it's really, really cute color kitchens if you love cooking.
Yes.
And next to the kitchen, you have a really nice living room here with an amazing view. Yes. You wanna come sit here?
Yes, I have to
Imagine
try.
you're living
that.
here.
If I was living here, oh, this is where I would sit and look at my lovely view.
Yes.
Only in my dreams will I have a duplex, I think.
And yeah, and next to the living room, you have a dining area here that you can cook, and you can kind of like entertaining area when you have friends come over.
Really magnificent view, so peaceful outside. You don't have that like white noise of traffic and ambulances. The airport is actually on the other side of the city, so you're not going to have any airplane noise either.
Before we go upstairs, you will have a guest bathroom over here as well.
I really, really like this, like, it just takes over. And
Yeah.
so this is just like the guest bathroom, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because in the bedroom, In here, the first bedroom, you also have your own bathroom and the bathtub.
I love the natural light in here and this gorgeous tub. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
you've got like a glass roof?
Yes, wow. It's a little too hot in the afternoon, but at
Yeah.
night it will be amazing because you kind of like laying here looking at the star
Oh
and the
my
moon.
gosh, yeah, if I was like laying here, just look up and this is unreal. I mean, this is very, very cool, very modern, and it is quite hot right now. And thank goodness they have like the shades.
Yes.
You can bring it down, but
Yes.
at night, I think it would be unreal. What I really like about this room is that you've got the view of like natural, not so much going on, and then you've got the city over there. And the city is not too far away, it's just about 9 minutes away. So you've got kind of like both city and nature as well.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs. As you walk up the stairs, you've got your home office, which I think is actually quite nice. It's not in the room and not downstairs. You've got your own private space, and you've got a really nice view, if you're not scared of heights, of your lounge and your dining room, and then this is the main bedroom.
Yes. And come to the second floor, you have a bedroom as well. And again, lots of windows, very bright and nature light. And also there's a bathroom inside the bedroom too.
Oh, wow! Very modern, and there's a lot of like attention to detail, but it's like simple,
Yeah.
but it's perfect. I literally forgot that I'm in a condo. It feels like I'm in a house.
Yes, or if you have a family and you don't want to live in a house and you don't want to take care of the garden, this is perfect.
It's perfect for a family or a couple, even for retirees. Really lovely.
We should live here.
Yes, we should stay here. Don't buy it, we're staying here. So is the Wi-Fi and the utilities included?
Again, it's not included. Every condo you have to install your own Wi-Fi, but electricity and water they're already installed here. You just have to pay your own bill at the end of the month.
Yeah, that's perfect. And I wanted to ask about the second bedroom. So if by chance there was just a couple living here and they wanted to turn that into like a office or just like a storage room, would
Yeah.
that be possible?
It really depends on the owner of the room and the furniture as well. Some owners are open to remove some furniture and some owners just don't have a storage to do it.
So this lovely condo, do you have to pay a deposit?
Yes, well, if you're gonna rent a condo or any properties in Thailand, you have to pay 2 month deposit and 1 month rent in advance to get a contract done.
Okay, 2 months deposit, 1 month rent in advance. And if you wanted to stay for a long time, like long term, would you be able to get a discount?
Depends on the owner as well. You can negotiate with the owner. Some owners are really nice and they can give you a discount.
Okay, so that wraps up the beautiful luxury prestige condo. And I think it's time for lunch. Ayu, should we go for lunch?
Yes, and today I'm going to take you to a really, really good noodle. And lots of people don't know this place, but you would love it. You too would love it.
I'm so glad. I'm so hungry. Let's go.
Yes.
So I'm sure you're wondering what is the difference between like finding a house via an agent or just finding one yourself online. So Ice, is there like any minimum cost for renting a house through Perfect Homes?
No, you don't have to pay us for the service because the owner are paying us to find a tenant, to find a customer for them. As a customer looking for a house, there is zero.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that's really awesome. I mean, I'd rather have somebody like help me find a condo face to face, because sometimes online, especially when you're in a foreign country, it can be a little bit difficult. So when you have a friendly face like Ice, she will help you with anything. And do we need any sort of documents when we're renting a condo?
If you're a foreigner, we only need your passport, and if you're Thai, we need your Thai ID.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Oh,
And
wow.
with the money, of course. If you
Yes.
have money. Yes.
Of course, money is
Yeah.
important. We need that.
The rain falls down.
We're actually having some boat noodles. The name of the restaurant I can't pronounce.
Well, the name in Thai called ก๋วยเตี๋ยวห้อยขา which translated to English mean hanging leg. Because it's the original restaurant, the first one, when they opened this noodle place, everybody have to sit and then kind of like hanging the legs.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
the
hang your
people-
legs over and eat your noodles.
Yes.
We are having some cow soy and we're having some boat noodles.
Yeah.
But why do they call it boat noodles?
Well, because long time ago, when in Thailand, when people start selling noodles, selling food, they were selling from the boat. That's how it come from.
So we've actually ordered a few little things and we're going to try them out. We ordered our favorite northern Thai dish, which is khao soy, and you've ordered rice.
noodle.
Oh, it's
Yes.
just boat noodle.
Yeah.
Okay, boat noodles, pork, and we ordered some pork curry as well. So we're gonna enjoy this and have a lovely lunch together. So we had such a lovely lunch together. Thank you so much for recommending that place. It was so lovely.
Yes. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. And we just wanted to break down the two condos that we saw today. The first one was the Shine Condo, and I really liked it because it was maybe more affordable, but it still had everything that we wanted. 2 bedrooms, perfect for some digital nomads or even a family, something like that. And it was like a very simple layout.
Yeah. And the
Yeah.
pools is nice, locations is good.
Yes.
And yeah.
Yes, exactly. And the second one I absolutely thought was pure luxury. And I've never seen a duplex here in Thailand, but I just loved the tall ceilings. Let us know which one you would like to stay in or which one you would prefer here in Chiang Mai. That marks the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. We would like to thank Ice so much for showing us around. We would leave all her info in the description box below. If you have any questions for us or for Ice, please let us know.
Yes. And don't forget to subscribe and share and comment too.
Yes. See you next time. We will be back. Bye.